Right now, this very moment is the only place life is happening. Each part, if walked, must be walked with heart, with feeling, with engagement, immersing yourself fully in every breath you take. There is no alternative. The only illusion there is to leave this world like there is an alternative universe. What I'm about to share with you in this episode will throw light on how we make unconscious suicide daily. There are two locations you can choose to spend your time in. One, in the past, a dream that is long gone. Or you can choose to live in the future, an illusion that is yet to come. When you live your life in the past, it is like waking up from a dream and wishing you were still there. But you are actually awake right now. You are no longer in a dream state. You are awake. When you spend time in the past, there is a cost to it. This is a question for you. Have you ever seen a movie and you were in tears or scared? In an ideal condition, your mind loses its capacity to distinguish between what is real and what is virtual. That is how powerful your mind is. When you go back to events in the past that is long gone and you play them in this moment, you empower them, you give life to them, and the mind cannot distinguish the difference. Your brain, a powerful muscle, has a function to store memories. It is able to store those memories and your mind can give meaning to them. That feeling you have of hurt and all of these emotions that come along with it, these are exactly a replay of what has happened in the past. Your mind empowers them. Living in the past is waking up from a dream and believing you were still in it. When we live in the past, we fail to live right now. Now, when you create an alternative universe, this is what you're actually doing. You are creating a world that is not right here. And when you do that, you deliberately desire, or unconsciously, you're actually designing a life that doesn't really fit in this moment. And that alternative reality is indirectly wishing that you were not here. When you spend your time in the past, as beautiful as a rose flower may be, you will not be able to recognize one because you've already deceased from this moment. Another way you can spend your life is in the future. Guess what is the cost of that? Anxiety, fear. The moment you create alternative realities, there is a cost that comes along with it because you are living a life against the flow of life. In one of my podcasts, I did say that life is flow. When you move against flow, the flow of life, it comes with a cost. The cost of pain, the cost of fear, the cost of anxiety, and so much more. Living in an alternative reality is unconscious suicide that we commit each day. Every bit of our life, of our experience right now fails to exist the moment we pull back memory, the moment we extrapolate what the future would look like. If I had lived this way, I had been happier. If I get this, my life will be better. If I get this, I will be better. When you create those alternative realities, you are designing a life that isn't happening right now, and you cease to feel, you cease to be here. A lot of people are actually walking down the street but they're just mobile cops because they aren't here. They have unconsciously committed suicide by creating an alternative reality that is a dream, a memory, and an illusion, a future that doesn't really exist. Right now, immerse yourself in this moment. You can hear me. Take a deep breath and be conscious of that breath. Be aware of that breath. Right now, you can feel it. Thich Nhat Hanh once said that breathing is the one thing that connects us to consciousness. It connects your body to consciousness. Breathe and feel this moment. Immerse yourself deeply in each breath you take. It is impossible to live from the pain of the past without a memory to hang on to. You have to pull memory back, which means there is a you who is actually pulling memory back. In other words, you aren't the memory. You are the witnesser. Recognize who you truly are. Each path we take, and this very moment is the path we take, must be lived with our heart, right here and right now. This moment is all there is. Wherever it is you want to go, wherever it is you want to be at, you can't get there without experiencing this moment fully. Be here and now and live in peace. Bye-bye.